The Samsung SmartThings Hub is a pivotal device in the realm of home automation, serving as a central controller for a wide array of smart devices. Designed to simplify and unify the operation of various smart home gadgets, the SmartThings Hub acts as a bridge that connects devices using different communication protocols like Zigbee, Z-Wave, and Wi-Fi. This allows users to integrate a multitude of devices from different manufacturers into a single, cohesive smart home system. One of the standout features of the SmartThings Hub is its compatibility. It supports hundreds of smart devices including lights, locks, sensors, cameras, and thermostats, allowing users to create complex automation routines and scenes that enhance convenience and security. For instance, users can set up routines where the lights turn on automatically when motion is detected, or the thermostat adjusts based on the time of day or occupancy. The hub connects to the internet via an Ethernet port, ensuring a stable and reliable connection. It is managed through the SmartThings app, available on both iOS and Android. The app provides an intuitive interface for setting up devices, creating automations, and monitoring the status of connected devices. Additionally, the SmartThings Hub supports voice control through integration with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, enabling hands-free operation of smart home devices. Security is a key consideration in the design of the SmartThings Hub. It features advanced encryption and security protocols to protect user data and ensure the integrity of the smart home network. Moreover, the hub can send real-time alerts to the user's smartphone in case of security breaches, such as an unexpected door opening or motion detected when the house is supposed to be empty. The versatility of the SmartThings Hub extends to its support for various third-party services and integrations. Users can connect it with services like if this then that, to create even more customized automations and interactions between devices that otherwise would not communicate directly. This flexibility makes the SmartThings Hub a powerful tool for tech-savvy users who wish to maximize the potential of their smart home ecosystem. In summary, the Samsung SmartThings Hub is a cornerstone of modern smart home technology, providing a unified platform for managing a diverse array of devices and creating sophisticated home automation setups. Its robust compatibility, user-friendly app, and strong security features make it an essential component for anyone looking to streamline and enhance their home automation experience.